Right, now this is the model I was talking about. If you see, all of you can see this model?
Yes, sir.
Clearly? Right, now kindly focus on the area between these black rectangle. Okay, and most of our activities will be confined to the places within this rectangle. However, certain activities of ours can also be related to outside of this model also. Okay, so now let's start seeing this model. If you see, the model scale has been given over here at the bottom, which says, what is it says? 12 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. That means that 12 centimeter on this model anywhere equal to a kilometer on ground. Okay, just to give you the idea of the distance. Fine. Now thereafter, let's come to the model proper. Gentlemen, if you see the grey thick line, this you can assume to be the metal road. Pakka sadak, all of you are aware about this. You also see two double dotted black lines. These are the unmetal road, right? And also you see a checkered line. This is known as a very clear, it's a railway line. And over next to these lines, what these are supposed to be? Bridge, obviously, because they were of the water body. And you see this blue color, which shows the water body in this case. Okay. Right. Now let's see the important places in this model. If you see in this direction, this railway line goes to a place called Ramgarh, which is 19 kilometers from here. Okay, and if you come this side again, this road leads to Ramgarh only, which is 10 kilometers from here. But in this direction, this road goes to a place called Shamgarh. How much far from the model? 10 kilometers from there. And here you see a petrol pump, and next to this unmetal road we have seen, there is a, what is it under here? Ferry. Ferry you all know?
Yes, sir.
And then you see a village known as Badli village, right? And this road in this direction goes to a place called Dinpur, which is how many kilometers? 10 kilometers from here. And this railway line also goes to Dinpur, which is 18 kilometers from that end of the rectangle. Okay, and here is the Coast Guard, and of course this is a water body. And you see what is written over here? This place removed, and over here you see a place known as Rock, and back to Ramgarh. Okay, anything left out? All covered? Okay, right. Now I'll just read a narrative to you. Kindly pay attention. Yeah.
So, fish plates removed.
Yeah, we'll get to know once you listen to the narrative. Okay. Okay, fine. You are a group of, how many are sitting here? 8. So, as many as sitting over here, you are a group of 8 students of Shamgarh College returning from Dinpur after winning the Dinpur District Volleyball Championship. The victory celebration in your college are to start at 7:30 p.m. As your minibus stopped at the petrol pump cum garage to get the headlights of the minibus repaired, you saw the attendant lying in a pool of blood. He told you that some antisocial element had beaten him up and left him dead before looting all the cash and cutting off the telephone wires. He had managed to overhear their conversation. They planned to exchange large consignment of drugs in return of the arms from a foreigner near the Rock at 6:45 p.m. They had also removed the fish plates of the both railway tracks on the bridge. You know that an express train crosses the bridge at 6:30 p.m. Also, two of their men were hiding near the ferry to kill the Totaram of Badlipur village, who was a police informer. The ferry has a motorboat with a speed of 20 km per hour, which the two men have planned to use for their escape later. After telling this, the pump attendant falls unconscious. Just then, one of your friends comes running from the minibus and tells you that he has to take the minibus back to the office of Dinpur College, where your silver trophy and the medals have been left behind. Time now is 5:30 p.m. What will you do in this situation? Okay, gentlemen. Now I'll just give this copy of narrative to each one of you. Kindly go through it for next 5 minutes.
December 129 first
We can use it
by
as a
6
trophy.
p.m.
No.
Because we have to save the train first.
We can solve the Totaram issue and the trophy issue both simultaneously.
Then three of them will go to Badli village where they will inform the policemen so that they can
We can inform the police in the Shamgarh station where
but the Totaram is at Badli
So we have to go to the Coast Guard. I think Coast Guard can be reached to Koda Road, which is placed at ferry. Coast Guard can be reached to
Friends, we are taking the men to
You will
Shamgarh.
go to the village of Badlipur and take the help of the village people and also capture the anti-social element which is going to kill the
Friends, by
Chota.
going to Shamgarh, we'll solve 3 problems simultaneously. We'll inform the police about the drug dealing because we can't handle it at a larger scale, and also
But
the fish play. And we are aware of the police station and its headquarters at Shamgarh.
No, but there is also a district headquarter in the Deenpur. So why we are not
We are
taking
coming from Deenpur, and right now we are at the petrol pump
But
at
we
Shamgarh.
have
We are
to
in free to go to
but
Badli
we have
village.
to
And
our prizes and medals from there. And two will the remaining 5 will go to the ferry side by running, which is which is about 2 to 3 kilometers and take 10 minutes by running. And from 3 will go to the Badlipur and inform the village peoples to catch. Sir, the unmetal road. Sir, and sir, from the 5, 3 will go to the Badlipur and inform the peoples of Badli village, and to take the help of the people and capture the 2 peoples which are nearby the ferry. And 2 will go with ferry and solve the fish plate problem and with the help of gangman. And by the 6:30 we will reach at the petrol pump and we will go to the Shamgarh and enjoy our party.